अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फोर्ट लॉडरडेल कार एक्सीडेंट लॉयर। इफ़ यू वर hurt in a car accident, you might be entitled to compensation for your medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Your personal injury protection (PIP) coverage does not cover all your losses and expenses. A Fort Lauderdale car accident lawyer can help you the full damages you are entitled to. If you or a loved one was hurt in a car wreck, call the law offices of Iniger and Levine for a free consultation. A Fort Lauderdale car accident lawyer can help with your cases from start to finish. A Fort Lauderdale car accident attorney can help you exercise and protect your rights during your car accident case. The insurance and legal process necessary to get compensation for your damages can be overwhelming, especially for somebody who was recently involved in a accident. Our lawyer not only provide responsive legal care but also go the extra mile for the every client. When our team takes your case, will gather evidence to prove negligence and liability, interview witnesses, document all accident related losses and expenses, manage all communication with the insurance companies, work with experts who can help prove liability and establish the value of your damages, represent you to the all the at fault driver insurance companies, attorneys, and others. You worry about getting better, let a personal injury attorney in Fort Lauderdale take care of the rest. Our case reviews and initial consultations are always free, and we handle these cases on a contingency free basis. We don't get paid unless you do. We do everything possible to support you after you have a Fort Lauderdale car accident. Our team is proud to handle legal matters on our client's behalf. We also understand that you need more than just an efficient attorney during this difficult time. That is why we strive to show support in other ways, as including listening attentively to your story during your free consultation and all throughout your case, giving you your lawyer phone's numbers so that you can call or text whenever you have questions, helping you get your car fixed by recommending trustworthy garages, updating you at every step of the way so you never have to wonder what is happening with your case, coming to visit you anywhere in or around Fort Lauderdale if your injuries prevent you from traveling to our office, explaining every new development in your case, advising you on your options and the potential consequences and outcomes of each, never pushing you into a decision you are uncomfortable with or making decision for you. Our clients notice and appreciate our compassionate representation. One former car accident client, Sonia Ji, described us a professional and caring group that works hard to get positive results for its client. We now want to extend that same combination of empathy and efficiency to your case. No, empathy and efficiency to your case. Should you report a minor car accident in Fort Lauderdale? The short answer is yes, you should always report a car accident, even a minor one. When do I have to report a minor car accident? According to Florida statutes, it is your legal responsibility to report any accident that results in an injury or death or more than $500 worth of property damage as quickly as possible. The responding officer will then compile a report including the basic facts of the accident, such as who was involved and when and where it happened, the involved parties' name and contact information, The date, time, and location of the collision, the nature and severity of the damage done. An accident report can serve as important corroborating evidence during a claim or lawsuit. Getting compensation after a Fort Lauderdale car accident. Victims of car accident have option to pursue compensation of all their losses and expenses while Florida statute established Florida as no fault state for a car accident. Insurance laws in the state allow accident victims to pursue compensation from at fault drivers in addition to filing a claim with their own insurance and policies. PIP does not cover all your losses in Florida. You own PIP insurance provides some coverage regardless of who caused your accident. PIP covers your related medical care and only a portion of your lost wages. Your PIP coverage does not cover pain and suffering. Further, PIP only provides coverage up to the policy limits and as allowed under the state no fault law. State law requires you to carry at least $10,000 in PIP coverage. That $10,000 coverage may be enough to cover a trip to the emergency department, a few x-rays, and some of your initial treatment. What many people find, however, is that it is not sufficient to cover all their medical bills, let alone their wage losses, pain and suffering, and other damages. You may qualify to file a liability claim. If another driver caused your accident, you may qualify to file a bodily injury liability claim with the at-fault driver insurance. A liability claim allows you to pursue the full scope of your damages. This includes medical expenses, full wage losses, pain and suffering, and other losses or expenses associated with your accident. To qualify to file a third-party liability claim, though, you must meet a certain threshold. A significant impairment affecting an important body part, permanent injuries, significant scarring or disfigurement, or other accident related expenses. Get help from a personal injury lawyer. Fort Lauderdale accident victims are entitled to pursue compensation of all their damages, not just a portion of their losses if another driver caused their wreck. We encourage anyone who suffered injuries in a car accident to reach out to a personal injury lawyer. Fort Lauderdale accident victims often find that while they believe their accident was minor, they still qualify to recover compensation. In some cases, a Fort Lauderdale car accident lawyer performs case evaluation for what victims believe are minor car accidents, but we discovered that the accident victims is eligible for damages beyond their PIP coverage. When this occurs, we can obtain copies of relevant medical records. Number two, investigate the accident to prove cause, negligence, and liability. Three, prove you meet the state's serious injury threshold. Four, demonstrate the other driver caused your crash. Pursue all options to recover compensation. These can allow your attorney to pursue both economic and non-economic damages by filing an insurance claim based on the at-fault driver liability automobile insurance policy or filing a personal injury lawsuit in civil court. Every car accident is different, so there is no way to know how much a car wreck case might be worth without first evaluating the severity of the injuries as well as any related expenses and losses. There are simply too many factors that affect the value of a car accident settlement. When our law firm takes on an accident case, we thoroughly investigate what happened and why. In addition to providing any damages related to the accident, or our legal team gathers evidence that may include relevant medical records, bills, receipts, and estimate documentations showing time away from work, other documentation of related expenses or losses. In addition, your lawyer may call in experts who can testify about injury severity, future medical care needs, the cost of ongoing care, and other factors. Experts could include medical experts, economists, care planners, and specialists. Occasional The purpose of our investigation is to identify and document as many compulsory damages as possible. This refers to your losses, expenses, and the non-economic effects of the accident and injuries. These are recoverable damages if your